So this pack comes with a tutorial that goes over everything in depth, but I just wanted to quickly show you a couple of pieces of this. So I'm going to go into the logo timeline, and in here I can just open this up in timeline, and here's my current logo. I can bring in my logo, so like, let's say this is my new logo that I'm going to add in. We have markers for the majority of this pack where you just need to make sure that things go to different points. So now I have my logo in here. It's a little big, so I'm just going to scale it down just a little bit. There we go. Now I can close both of these timelines. Now any of the timelines that are in here will be represented with that logo. So if I was to go into, let's say, the logo bumper and open that up, we can see that new logo that I just added in. And the same way with the others that also have that. So if we look at, let's say, the logo wipe, here we go. There's a little transition. We can also see that logo there. So that's just one of the many features, as well as when you go into a lot of these. So instead of taking the media into Fusion, you can just easily add it here on the timeline. So we have this piece down here, which is the background. We can always render this out with an alpha. If we didn't want to bring in media here, we could just put it on the timeline, this actual element. But if we want to edit this little piece, all we would do, just unlock this, and we would just open this in timeline, and then here's that element as well. We would just change this out, and it would change here. So I can just quickly, let's just zoom this so we can see it. And as you can see, it zoomed in here, so that this media here is represented on the timeline here. So it's that easy. You don't actually have to go into Fusion, but going through and changing the color as well as the letters, you do. But that's perfectly fine, because once we come into Fusion, I have everything spaced out. Anything that's in a box are the things that you might want to edit. You can edit the other stuff, but these are the things that you're primarily going to want to edit. So here we have the color for this background piece. You can just simply change the color. And then over here we have the different elements that build this, and then any notes that I have for different modifiers that I use and how those modifiers work. Like I said, all of this is in the tutorial video that comes with the pack, but I just wanted to show you a little bit.